Hello gamers, today I got something special for you. We got good old Tonosama gold prize yummy Japanese happy snacks. We got this package here, which should contain about 30 Japanese snacks. So I thought we would open it up, maybe take a look at it, see if there's anything else going on with this thing. I got my fancy little tool here. Stab you with it. Okay. It's gonna be interesting to get into. Woohoo. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. Still haven't really gotten around to fixing that at all. Get in there, come on. There we go. Some of this is definitely not cut. Okay. Oh wait, god damn it, I'm gonna have to... Alright, they put that at the front, so now I'm gonna have to do another censorship. Is this a thing thanking me for ordering this or whatever? Or is this just a... No, it's just a thing, it's a... Okay, so they did give me two, okay. So I ordered two of these. One of them is going to go to my friend for some reason, undisclosed. This one is the one that we're going to be opening up. Come in these weird bags. Oh. And I got some other stuff here. What we got here? So we got some good little goodies here. So we got a thank you. Is this a sticker? No, it's not even a sticker. It's just like a little floral thank you card, I guess. And this here, limited time offer, discount coupon. End of the year. So I guess, hey, if you want some cheap snacks, use code N7071P at checkout for Ninjapo's Japanese snacks. Huh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, if you guys are interested, I'm probably not going to use it. I don't know, this video was already... It's like 30 bucks for this. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Okay, right out of the gate, we got corn potage. Something else in Japanese. I have no clue what this would even be. We got this one. That's the same sort of idea, but it doesn't tell me what type of thing it is. It's just a star. Oh wow! We got something else! This one looks like a lemony version of it with those lemon dudes at the bottom. Oh, we got something different here. We got poriki. Poriki. Something pork related. Oh, I got another one of these. Another one of these. Limited time offer. Oh yeah, probably limited time. Giving them out to everybody, mass producing this stuff. Teriyaki something. Another one of these same sort of snacks. I'll pile them up on the side. Just gonna let you guys see them. This is a wasabinori. I don't know what that is. Oh wow! More Japanese snacks. This one I have no clue. There's just a crazy old scientist at the bottom there. Concocting something. Hopefully it's edible. We have... Really, this counts as one snack? I have no clue what this is. Is this just an upvote arrow? Banning people? Is this one of the mods from r/dank memes? Okay, we got... What even is that? Okay, so we got like a tomato soup there or something. Okay, we got... What's that? Is that some kind of meat? I have no clue. What are these? Like, those look like peanuts, but what are these? Are these, like dried peas or something? I don't know. Japan's got some weird stuff. This fish looks like it's trying to give me more than just snacks. Okay. Melon Pandaro. Pandaro. It's like a melony panda cookie or something. This looks like a cookie. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Is this a Pepsi product? Or did they just rip Pepsi's logo completely? Oh, we have one of those Pandaros. Looks like that's the company. Oh, brand butter cookie. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. We have another one of these, but he's a clown this time. They're flowers. We got... Oh, are these onion balls? Like fried onion balls? Jesus Christ. We got... What is this? I can't even tell what this is. There's just a frog in a friggin' police uniform on the front. In front of something. We got a Japanese cat. Okay. We got probably the cheapest snack in here. Whatever they're up to. Whoa. Okay, this one's a liquid. Nada de coco. Nada de coco. Maybe this is a coconut flavored beverage? Maybe? We have the tiniest meat stick. I wonder if this is made from like some rare animal, so they make a very small amount of it so they can sell it for like the regular amount. We have a Winnie the Pooh inspired marshmallow, I think. We have here... What is this? In the package it looks so disgusting. It looks like maybe like a dried up prune or something. Oh my Christ. We have, okay, this looks like, I don't know, maybe like a, you know how they have like those cola gummies? Maybe it's like a grape version of that? Oh, we got one of these, but he's a little bent. He's playing soccer. We have very much unlabeled snack. I have no clue what this is. This is just untitled gummy. Well, I guess, to be fair, it is a titled gummy. Just, I can't tell you what it says. And last but not least, we have, this is probably just a breath mint that he threw in there. But okay. So, first things first, I think we gotta do quality assurance. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, exactly. We have exactly 30 different snacks here. To a T. I don't know, maybe we should try some of these. Oh. Oh, this guy. I kinda wanna try this. Because I wanna see what this fish is offering me. Yaitara. I have no clue what this is. So these are like a really flaky sort of chip looking thing. Ooh. I think this is fish. Ooh. I don't think I'm going back there again. Ooh. Oh man, that was awful. Ooh. Well, I guess that's some omega-3. I think we need a little palate cleanser here. The butter cookie. Hopefully it's literally not. Oh man, she's in there. Okay, well it's not completely crushed. Which is nice, it is in a panda shape. Ooh. So that does taste like a butter cookie. But then it has like a little extra sweetness. It definitely tastes like an artificial sweetener, but it kind of tastes like something like something you would expect from like a cheap hard candy, you know? You know, you go to the dollar store and you get like the cheapest candy there. Yeah, that's what it kind of like tastes like. Yeah, don't trust fish, by the way. God, was that ever terrible. Okay, where's the corn? Oh, there it is. I kind of want to open up this and see what it is. This is interesting. Like, all of them are like this long, thing. Okay, so looking at it, it's just like a long, it's like a long fried, like almost like a Cheeto thing. Let's see. Wow. So yeah, that does taste like cream corn, but like it's got like the exact texture of a Cheeto. It's great. Whoever came up with this idea is a genius. Yeah, I could eat that. We Canadians over here with our Cheetos, you know. Oh, let's put cheese on them. Japan. Oh, let's put literally everything on them. Okay, what else we got here? Undescript anime candy. Now, I said that these are cheap, probably. So I'm expecting literally just sugar. But from Japan. Oh. Honestly, they're not all that sugary. I was expecting more sweet. They're actually more chalky than anything. Like, I know that we usually have, like, chalky candy here in Canada, but usually chalky candy isn't this chalky, where I actually feel like I'm sucking on a piece of chalk. It's easy to chew. But, like, for reference, think about, like, a Tums. But a Tums that had, like, a drop of water on it. And it's just been sitting there for a while. Okay, what else can we try here? Oh, this right here. I kind of want to see what this is, because I feel like they're ripping off Pepsi. It looks like it had a pull tab on it, but who cares, right? Japanese snacks. Oh, I can already feel the heartburn from those chalky candies. Whoa, what are these? So upon further inspection, they're like these little balls. They're just balls. Let's pop one in. Oh. They're not hard, they're chewy. And they do taste kind of like cola. But kind of like a little spicier. Oh, I wonder if this is gum. Because now that I think about it, if it was a candy, it would come in a bigger package, right? I'm gonna save those other two for later. These are actually pretty nice. But the show must go on, so I will spit out this gum. Comment down below if you hate me though, because I waste this precious gum. Okay, well, what can we move on to next? This looks interesting. Please don't be another fish-based snack. I swear to God. I don't know what it is with you Japanese people out there, but why do you eat primarily fish? Was this like seaweed? No, I think this is another fish thing. Ooh. I took off a little corner. It tasted not like fish, but more salty. Ooh. Yeah, it's not bad. I think this might be seaweed. Can't really pin down what the flavor is here. It's kind of like a sour and salty. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I'd probably eat that. I'd probably get tired of it pretty quickly. But I could see myself eating this. Yeah, I think that they just soaked seaweed in like soy sauce or teriyaki sauce or something for like a couple days and then dried it. Yeah, it's decent. So I'm assuming then this is also a seaweed based thing. Ooh, where's that meat stick? The coveted meat stick of Japan. I love how there's no place to rip it open. Unless, is it like a, oh, it's a separating one. Let me get down my seaweed here. Separates very nicely. Let's take a good look at that. So it feels a little extra greasier than most meat sticks here in Canada. Ooh. Actually, yeah, just greasier. But the meat actually feels, you know, like meat. You know, sometimes you'll bite into like a Slim Jim and you feel like you're just chewing on intestine. But no, there was some substance to that. Now, if that were, if that meat stick were a bit bigger, you know, more enjoyable, I could see me eating that. Let's get into something else here. Let's try this marshmallow. The Winnie the Pooh marshmallow. Very soft, very fluffy. I don't know. There we go. The camera's focusing now. Wow. See that? That's a marshmallow. Yeah. What can I say? It's just a marshmallow. That's it. I think I'll do one more before the video ends. I kind of want to keep some of these and snack on them in my own time. So let's do this little, I think this is just like a mint or like a palate cleanser after you like finish a fancy meal at a restaurant. You know, they just have like a bowl of them. Okay. So far it is hard. Not much flavor from it actually. It's pretty bland. Yeah, just a very light lemony flavor. That's all it is. Well, thank you guys for watching this episode. I bet you guys thought that this wasn't gonna be in the video, but brush wag. Yeah, there we go. Just gotta get that in there. But yeah, until next time. We'll see you then. Bye for now.